importance, and all the other supporting ideas, they should be there, but they should be linked up with that topic sentence. And similarly, whatever the details you are going to add in this respect, that should also be directly or indirectly linked up with the topic sentence. And then there should be a concluding sentence. So both of these sentences, topic sentence and concluding sentences, are of great importance, but concluding sentence should be concluded on a positive note. This you should remember very well. Come on to the format of writing a paragraph. First of all, you can see on your screen that in the very first part, you will write down the introduction, then the body of the paragraph, and then there will be conclusion. But for that matter, students, you should remember one thing, that there's a word indent. Indent should be taken care while writing a paragraph. Now, what actually indent is? Indent means that students, when you are going to write down the introduction of the paragraph, or when you are going to write down the topic sentence, some space should be left, and after that the paragraph should be started. Like you can say that 3 to 4 words, the space of 3 to 4 words, that should be left, and after that the introduction of the paragraph must be started. This is called indent. It's of great importance while writing a paragraph. And the whole body and the conclusion, there should be harmony in writing a paragraph, students. It should not be like essay writing. As I have already told you that essay is the composition of different paragraphs. So in essay we can write down the different paragraphs, and these paragraphs, we don't bother about the indent as well while writing an essay. But because it is the single unit, as far as paragraph writing is concerned, it is a single unit. So that is why this single unit should be really taken care of while writing it down. Over here, I must tell you the difference between the paragraph and essay writing, so that it should be clear to you that what actually the difference that lies between the two. Students, over here you can see that here is a paragraph writing. A paragraph is a shorter version of an essay. Okay, and what is essays? An essay is a way of formal writing on a given specific topic. Okay, the second one is the extended or development of a paragraph leads to an essay, and the significant difference is the preparation time, writing time, and length. So now you see in both these points what you have got. What is the difference between the paragraph and essay? That paragraph is a shorter version of an essay, whereas essay is the combination of the different paragraphs. And paragraph is a very small unit, whereas essay, while writing down an essay, you can have a big limit of time. You can have the time and length can be extended. And then comes a paragraph has an opening sentence followed by supporting statements and finally a conclusion, whereas traditionally an essay has 5 paragraphs, which includes the introduction,